Diamond white. D4S HID bulbs feature a diamond white with a very light tint of blue, anti-UV quartz glass restrain mirror and shadow cracking. Feature parameter. 35 W power supply, 45 volts voltage, 3000 hours lifespan. Notice: only when the power socket of your vehicle is equipped with D4S bulb standard, then it will fit your vehicle. Increased lifespan. This D4S HID bulbs features a better durability of up to 3000 hours, lasting longer than other HID bulbs. Perfect beam. Nilight D4S HID bulbs adhere to strict specification, whose beam pattern behaves the same as original D4S bulb, no dark spots or shadow area, ensuring driving safety. Warm tips. Please don't touch the glass tube of the HID bulbs directly, otherwise it will affect the lifespan and brightness. Please use cotton gloves when installing the D4S HID bulb. Top reviews from the United States. Same as OEM. These HIDs gives off same color lighting as OEM HIDs, Philips, with a tad more brightness at a fraction of the price. Just hope they last as long as OEM.